Hello everyone, how are you? Now today's chapter is changing trend and career in physical education, unit 1, right? Now the fifth point is earlier we have discussed so many points like meaning and definition of physical education, aims and objective of physical education, career option in physical education, then competition in various sports and national and international level. Now the fifth point is Khelo India program. Right now, have you heard Khelo India program from last two 2000 from last 2018? Indian government launched a Khelo India program, right? Launch Khelo India program that is very good for students and domestic rural level players. First of all, we should know what is the why it is required and what is the motto of this. I'm giving you a little introduction about Khelo India program. The importance of sports and fitness is one's life's invaluable. हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में ना स्पोर्ट्स की एक बहुत ही बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस वैल्यू है. Without sports, you can say ना we are we can live, but we cannot live our life healthy. Playing sports inculcate team spirit, develop strategies and analytic thinking, leadership skill, goal setting और risk taking. स्पोर्ट्स जो है ना हमें को सिखाता है कि अपनी लाइफ को कैसे हमने फुलफिल करना है, डिज़ायर्स को कैसे अपने आप को चार्ज रखना है, कैसे कैसे अपने फिट रखना है, कैसे 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 दबाव में आकर कैसे प्रेशर को हाउ वी हैंडल द प्रेशर, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, थिंकिंग, अपने आप को अचीवमेंट्स, हाउ कैन वी अचीव, कैसे हम रिस्क ले सकते हैं, राइट? दिस इज ओनली थ्रू विद स्पोर्ट्स. A fit and healthy individual lead to an equally healthy society and strong nation. Simple सी बात है. If youth is strong, automatically nation is strong. It is a natural phenomena. क्योंकि when roots strong होगी तो भी पेड़ बढ़ेगा आगे. तो जो जो यूथ है वो एक तरह का स्ट्रेंथ है नेशन की. स्पोर्ट्स इज एन extremely important component for overall development of our nation, India. In the last 5 years, has made strategy program progress in the field of sports. This tremendous potential need to be showcased at the global platform. It's time we inspire young talent, give them top-notch infrastructure and training for highest level. We need to inculcate a strong spirit of participation in sports that enable player to demonstrate their true potential. Only then can India realize the dream of becoming a sports superpower. जब तक हम यंग बच्चे को, यंग टैलेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, वी कैन नॉट अचीव. खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम. व्हाट इज खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम? खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू रिवाइव द स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर इन इंडिया एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल बाय बिल्डिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेमवर्क फॉर ऑल स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर इन आवर कंट्री टू इस्टेब्लिश इंडिया एज ए ग्रेट स्पोर्ट्स सपोर्टिंग नेशन. ये बहुत ही, अगर हम स्कूल लेवल पे बच्चे को हम अचीवमेंट्स नहीं दे सकते तो अब कुछ नहीं होगा. टू अकम्प्लिश द अबव ऑब्जेक्टिव, खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम हैज़ बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 12 वर्टिकल. 12 इसके कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्ले फील्ड डेवलपमेंट, देन कम्युनिटी कोचिंग डेवलपमेंट, स्टेट लेवल खेलो इंडिया सेंटर्स, एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन, then talent search and development program, utilization and creation upgradation of sports infrastructure, sports and support to national, region, state and sports academies, physical fitness of school children, sports for women, promotion of sports amongst people with disabilities, sports for peace and development, promotion for rural and indigenous tribal games, Indian domestic game, you can say, talented player analyzed in priority sports discipline at various level by the high powered community will be provided with annual finance assessment for 5 लाख रुपए per annum for 8 years. अगर कोई बच्चा जिसके पास एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी टैलेंट है, अगर वो अपने आप को शो करता है, तो उसको 5 लाख रुपए 8 साल के लिए हर साल दिए जाएंगे फॉर हिज टैलेंट. Now, Khelo India Games, which are part of the Khelo India program, are first being held in 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi. Right? Under 17 athletes has been invited to participate across 16 discipline which are following. जो 16 गेम थे मेजर हमारे, उसके अंदर अंडर 17 के जो स्टूडेंट थे, प्लेयर्स थे, उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया. फर्स्ट इज आर्चरी, तीर कमान, बास्केटबॉल, जिम्नास्टिक, कबड्डी, स्विमिंग, रेसलिंग, एथलेटिक्स, बॉक्सिंग, हॉकी, खो खो, वॉलीबॉल, बैडमिंटन, फुटबॉल, जूडो, शूटिंग एंड रेसलिंग. These 16 events they organized. Khelo India program meaning Play India Youth Game held annually in January or February are the national level multi-disciplinary grassroots game in India held for under 17 school athletes, school students you can say. Every year, best 1,000 students will be given an annual scholarship of 5 lakh rupees for 8 years to prepare them for international sports event. This is the great opportunity for those who are not, those who are hand to mouth but they have a talent. So उनके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सुनहरी मौका है. फर्स्ट इवेंट 2018 में हुआ था, अक्योर इवेंट एनुअली होता है, देन लास्ट इवेंट 2019 में हुआ था, देन हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली है. पर्पस व्हाट इज अ पर्पस? ग्रास रूट लेवल टैलेंट हंट. जो टैलेंट है, जो छोटे बच्चों में टैलेंट होता है, उसको पॉलिश करना. राइट? In first Khelo India program, game small state of Haryana 102 medal including 38 golds, 26 silver and 38 bronze, which is considered a sports powerful house, was the top team of 2018. Followed by Maharashtra 111 medals including 36 gold and India 94 medal including 25 golds. Now what is the history? Oh wow. Now history. On 31st January 2018, the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi inaugurated Khelo India program school game at opening ceremony based on Guru Shishya tradition held in Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi. Right? Selection. Now what is the selection criteria? Only selected school kids below of 17 years are eligible to compete in the individual sports. Top 8 sports person from the School Game Federation of India National School Game, 4 nominee from Federation, 1 from Central Board of Secondary Education, 1 from host state of one of the organizing committee will be selected. For archery, badminton and shooting, the top 16 from the National School Games, 8 nomination by the Federation, 1 from CBSE, 1 from host state, 1 from organizing committee and 6 from wild card will be selected. And what is the aim? Aim this is a very important why Khelo India program has been started. Aim to make popular the rural, indigenous and the tribal sports game, to disseminate information and pipe the curiosity of the present generation about these games, and also to encourage children and youth to take up these games as a major way paving far away from their mainstream. Objectiveness of scheme, uska what is the objective? To encourage, promote and popularize sports and games and those played in the rural and tribal games across the country. This is the main Khelo India program.